In the forthcoming episode, Hee-joo and Sion find themselves draw closer and they share intimate outing exploring place together now that the long-kept secret has been unveiled. And amid the fleeting moments of joy, Hee-joo admits with the tings of vulnerability that it feels surreal to imagine them as just another ordinary couple. While Sion remains ensnared by the weight of his hidden truth, his real identity, and as he watches her smile, a question lingers in his mind. Would she still look at him the same way if she knew everything? In the meantime, reporters Hikujins and Singview proceed with the problem question, igniting tensions that escalated into a heated arguments when Seon protected the Frostings confronts Seon with sharp words about the true culprit while Haeju, sensing their strong pulls, Seon close and urges him to reveal anything, leading to a silence and secret laden embarrass. In the climatic moments, the kidnapper, consumed by envy at Haeju and Seon, fleeting happiness devices and sincere plans to destroy everything they hold dear, targeting Seon with a devastating explosion